Come on, let's dance.
Here. Okay. So, this is a school dance. Meh.
You're a bit of a downer, Louise. Do you mind, like, cheering up a little?
Oh, sorry. Oh, I didn't think I'd have to be chatty for you, Oisin.
It's okay, buddy. You know, we could make the evening a little more interesting, if you'd like. Let's sneak outside and kiss. I'll spit out my gum.
You're grand. Thanks. Keep your gum.
What did I do? I thought that was mad romantic.
Hey. Good. Yeah.
Go after her.
You like him, don't you? Why'd you send him after Louise?
Sometimes being the better friend means putting the other person first.
Jess, we need to talk. Come on.
Dances are rubbish anyway.
I'm the problem, not the dance. My parents are separating.
I'm sorry, Lou. Do you want to talk about it?
Wait, don't you have to DJ?
The room was eyeing my booth, okay? They'll be fine.
You always show up for me, don't you?
Of course, Louise. I like you.
I like you too.